Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff, and I'm going to quickly run through the BERGOEN 5733 bellows. Some people call it a puffer. I usually refer to it as a blower. And I'm going to pull one from my own bench, well, the one from my bench, which I've used. The writing is a little faded now. I've had it for quite some time. The thing that you want to look for in a blower is a valve on the back. And the purpose of that valve is that when we squeeze this and have the puff of air come out, when we pull it back in, whatever's here that may be dirty or the dust you're trying to clear from the movement or inside of a wash case doesn't get sucked back into the blower, just so you can reapply it to the place you're trying to clear. So there's a one-way valve here, so that when we press the bulb, it blows out. When we pull in, it sucks air through the back into the bulb again, so that we don't pull any of the dust or debris that we're trying to clear back into the bulb and then back onto our work surface. So that is the BERGOEN 5733.